Hello everyone, and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new phone. This is a Chinese made phone, bought it on a website out of China, and is what they catalog as a Samsung Galaxy S4 alternative. The phone is a Orient N9500. The box is already open because I had to open it for the postman because it was a little banged up and they wanted to make sure that it wasn't damaged. Let me run the specs on the phone. Oh, let me take it out so you guys can see. Very well protected. And that's the phone. It's a 5-inch HD display. It's white. Okay, let me run through the specs of the phone. It's unlocked. It's a HD IPS screen, 5-inch. The resolution is 1280 by 720. I don't know if you guys can see that. Has dual SIM cards. Runs on 3G. Of course, comes from China. Runs on 3G. I'm gonna activate it with the T-Mobile SIM card. Has two batteries, 2100 milliamp batteries. The processor is 1.4 gigahertz quad core. Camera, rear camera, 13 megapixel, 5 megapixel front camera. Supports up to 64 gigs of external memory. I got a 16 gig that I'm gonna put in here. What else? Let me see. It works on both AT&T and T-Mobile hspa plus networks. So let's start taking it apart. See what we got. That's the phone. As you can see, it looks just like the Galaxy S4. See how thin it is. It came with a screen protector. Let's see what else is in the box. Case. A plastic case and a cover case for the front. Headphones with a microphone. Micro USB. Wall charger, looks like HTC charger, only on white. And two 2100 milliamp batteries and the owner's manual. So let me I'm gonna put the battery on here real quick. Like I said, I'm gonna activate it with the Walmart T-Mobile plan. Let's fire it up. because it's the first time the phone runs. It's taking a while. Okay, there you go. Comes with a Jellybean 4.2.1. I'm gonna get the SIM card in here and get my account and everything set up, and I'll be posting a couple of videos on the phone. Thank you for watching.